Be honest, how much did you spend on pizza last month? $80? $100? Maybe more? That money is just gone every single time. This Baker's Friend pizza oven is a one-time purchase that hits 800 degrees Fahrenheit, cooks a full 12-inch pizza in under 6 minutes with that same crispy pizzeria crust. Ceramic stone, separate heat controls, viewing window, everything you need. Pay for it once, eat free pizza forever. Why keep paying $20 every time when one purchase pays for itself in a single month? Do the math. Link is in the description below. How much food are you throwing away every week because it went bad? These Scares food storage containers fix that. 20 containers, 20 lids, every size you could need. Airtight silicone seal that actually keeps food fresh, 0 leaks. Microwave and dishwasher safe, and they stack perfectly in your fridge. BPA free and clear, so you always know what's inside. Less food waste, more money saved. A fridge that finally looks organized. All in one set. Grab yours in the description. Most cookware sets take up half your cabinet space. This KRAUS 21-piece set solves that with one genius feature. The handles detach completely, so everything stacks flat and saves up to 70% more space. Pots, pans, egg pan, utensils, all included. Non-stick, induction compatible, dishwasher safe, and the handles click right back on in seconds when you need them. The smartest cookware set we've seen in a long time. If cabinet space is always a problem, this is your answer. Link is in the description. A dull knife is honestly one of the most frustrating things in a kitchen. This Astercook 15-piece knife set comes razor sharp out of the box. German stainless steel, black non-stick anti-rust coating, and the block has a built-in sharpener, so they stay sharp forever. Chef knife, bread knife, santoku, steak knives, kitchen shears, everything you need in one sleek block. Dishwasher safe and backed by a lifetime warranty. Every great meal starts with a great knife. This set makes sure you always have the right one. You'll never go back to struggling with dull blades again. Your kitchen counter is always cluttered because your sink does only one thing: drain water. The KRAUS workstation sink changes that completely. It has a built-in ledge where a bamboo cutting board and rolling dish rack slide right over the sink. So you chop, rinse, and drain all in one spot without taking up any counter space. 16-gauge stainless steel, Undermount design for seamless cleanup, and no more water pooling at the bottom. Less counter mess, less back and forth, more room to actually cook. This sink works as hard as you do. Small kitchen, RV, or just tired of cookware taking up every inch of cabinet space. The Alvanite 5-piece set nests together perfectly, so everything stacks into one compact pile. Ceramic non-stick with 0 PFAS, PTFE, or PFOA, so what you cook in actually matters for your health. Induction and oven safe, lightweight, and cleanup takes seconds. Cooking healthy starts with cooking clean. This set makes both effortless. Barbecue season is here, and if you're still flipping burgers with cheap, flimsy tools, you're doing it wrong. The Alpha Griller's 4-piece set is built from extra thick stainless steel, 18-inch spatula with a bottle opener, ultra-sharp fork, lockable tongs, and a silicone basting brush. Heavy-duty enough for brisket, burgers, anything you throw on the grill. Dishwasher safe and built to last for years. Every grill master needs tools that match their skills. This set makes sure yours do. Nothing is more disgusting than a clogged sink full of dirty standing water. This Trapmate drain strainer fixes that permanently. Chain mesh design catches every bit of food and debris while water drains through instantly. No more clogs, no more reaching in with your hands. Just flip it over to empty it. Stainless steel, rust-proof, dishwasher safe, and fits any standard drain. Costs less than a plumber visit and saves you from ever needing one. Smartest small purchase for your kitchen.